Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your device has a working microphone, the OS supports voice APIs, and permissions are allowed. Once done, install the SDK or app and sign in with the account that manages voice features. This gives you access to developer settings. Make sure to create or enable a project, then generate the API key or client ID and set the callback URL. This gets the system authorized and ready so you can move straight into integrating voice handling. Now you integrate capture and transport. First, wire the microphone. Implement a start/stop control, apply basic noise suppression, and record at a compatible sample rate like 16 kHz. Next, stream or batch the audio to the speech service over WebSocket or REST using your auth token and correct headers so the server recognizes the format. Once transcripts arrive, parse intents or entities and map them to your app's actions. Vary the confirmation prompts and fallback paths to improve reliability. Finish by polishing UX and reliability. Add clear confirmation messages, graceful error states, and fallbacks when users deny permissions so the app still guides them. Once done, optimize latency by enabling streaming, reducing packet size, and turning on compression where supported. This makes responses snappier. Then test extensively: accents, background noise, low signal, and multiple concurrent sessions. If recognition fails, check mic permissions, sample rate mismatches, or token expiry first. Those 3 issues cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.